So today I'm going to be reviewing the Unce Angle 3 Ultra Bluetooth speaker. The Unce Angle 3 Ultra has that familiar triangular cross-sectional design that's very similar to the original Unce Angle 3, which is still on sale by the way. In terms of basic design, the Angle 3 Ultra has two rubberized end caps with a metal speaker grill that covers two stereo speakers with a plastic body that wraps all the way around to the bottom by the base radiator. And it has these two soft, spongy rubber feet on both sides, and I guess this helps to dampen some of the vibration that's transferred onto your table surface. Now, unlike other Bluetooth speakers, which have all their controls on top, the Unce Angle 3 Ultra has all its controls on the right-hand side. And that also includes the LED indicator, which lets you know that it's on and connected. I'm not a big fan of this setup, to be quite honest. I really do prefer my buttons to be on top, so it's easy to hit, and it also makes it easier to see the LED indicators. But then again, that's just my preference. Now, some people might just prefer it to be on the side and out of sight, so it gives it a nice clean design. Now, despite the fact that the controls are all out of sight on the side, they're actually pretty neatly laid out. You have a power button, a play button, two buttons to skip back and forth between tracks, which is really useful, a Bluetooth connection button, and volume control buttons. You also have a blue LED indicator on top, which tells you what the Bluetooth status is, whether it's connected or if it's trying to pair when it's blinking. And behind the splash-proof rubber cover, it has a 3.5mm input jack and a micro USB charging port to charge the device. What I like the most though is this extremely long USB cable that they provide with the device. This is probably the longest micro USB cable that I've ever seen with any Bluetooth speaker. I do wish they had provided a power brick with it so you can charge the device. Now, this isn't a big problem at all because this will pretty much plug into any USB port. So you can pretty much plug it into any wall adapter, car charger, or pretty much any other source of power like a power bank. So that's pretty nifty. Just so you don't have to go out and buy any one of these cables, they do provide a 3.5mm cable so you can hook up the speakers to any device with an aux port. Now, the speaker is IPX6 splash proof, which means you can pretty much use it near a shower, outdoors, on a beach, but just make sure you don't dunk it in any water. It definitely isn't waterproof. It has this microphone embedded on the top so you can take phone calls through Bluetooth. Now, pairing the Angle 3 Ultra with any smartphone or Bluetooth enabled device is actually as simple as it gets. Once you get it out of the box, power it on by pressing down the power button. You'll see a red light come on, and then the blue LED lights up and starts blinking, and this indicates that it is in the pairing mode. And when you go into your Bluetooth settings, you'll actually see the Unce Angle 3 Ultra, and I'm going to tap that to connect to it. And there you go, it's connected. And once it's connected, you'll see that the blue LED stops blinking, and that's pretty much all there is. You can now start playing music directly from your device. And Bluetooth range is one of the areas where the Unce Angle 3 Ultra improves substantially from the original Unce Angle 3. The range almost triples to 100 feet, and I've actually tested this reliably even between rooms, and it works perfectly. And this range is really effective, especially if you have thick walls or you plan to use this outdoors. So having that extra range definitely helps. So what I'm going to do now is play back a clip just so you can hear how the Unce Angle 3 Ultra sounds, and I'll play it back at about 50% volume. Now, it's very important to remember that the 14-watt power of this system really makes it pretty loud. So even at 50%, it's actually pretty loud and audible within a room. My camera and microphone are about a foot away from the speaker, so let's go ahead and play that clip. As you could probably tell from this test, the first thing you'll notice is that this definitely does not sound like a $30 to $40 speaker. It sounds much more expensive. Not only is the audio level at 14 watts really impressive. The audio is also really nice and clear and has a lot of bass to it. To be quite honest, I'm much more impressed than I expected to be. Now that you've heard the audio quality, I'd like to know from you what you thought about the audio quality on the Unz Angle 3 Ultra. So feel free to leave me a comment right below the video. I'd definitely like to hear what you thought about the sound. Now another really cool thing that this speaker can do, you can either buy two of these speakers and connect them together so they're playing from the same exact device, and you can either get one of the speakers to be the left channel and the other one to be the right channel, or you could even have dual stereo. So you can have a stereo speaker playing the same music in two separate places. And that's a really cool feature to have. And as you might be wondering, it does work with Amazon Alexa enabled devices, so that's a really big bonus. Now the manufacturer claims that it'll get 20 hours of playback on a single charge. And from my testing, I have to say I do kind of believe them. It does get close to 20 hours of playback on a single charge. Now if you want to know how the Unz Angle 3 Ultra compares to other speakers, I've put together a video that compares it to the Anker Soundcore 2, which is similarly priced. So feel free to check out that video. Now if you just want a summary of which speaker is better, I feel the Unz Angle 3 Ultra is a little louder than the Anker Soundcore 2, and that's better if you plan to use it outdoors or in a car. However, if you plan to use it indoors and value sound quality more, the Anker Soundcore 2 is probably a slightly better choice. My preference for the Anker Soundcore 2 is pretty subjective. It's really up to every individual person. You might actually like how this sounds better than the Anker, so feel free to check that video out and make a decision for yourself. And if you're looking to buy either of these, I'll leave a link right below the video. So should you buy the Unz Angle 3 Ultra? Well, that really depends. The Unz Angle 3 Ultra, in my opinion, is really meant to be more of an outdoor speaker. If you're a person who likes to take their Bluetooth speakers with them when you go outdoors, when you're trekking or on a beach or at a party, this is definitely the speaker for you. While it isn't waterproof, it's definitely splash proof and dust proof and is built pretty ruggedly. Most importantly, the sound level that it produces is really good for those outdoor situations. And I also love the fact that you can use two of these to double the sound output and even connect them up as left and right stereo channel speakers. And this is really helpful at a party or an outdoor event, so I definitely recommend the Unz Angle 3 Ultra. I'll leave a link to the speaker right below this video in case you're looking to buy one, so feel free to check that out. Hope this video was useful. If it was, please give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to stay tuned for more reviews, unboxings, and how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.